Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay using a Capitec Virtual Card. First, let's look at how to use your virtual card for online or in-app purchases. Start by opening the Capitec banking app on your phone. Once you are signed in, tap on the option called Cards. Inside the Card section, select the Virtual tab. Here you will see your virtual card displayed on the screen. Tap on the image of the card to flip it. After that, tap the button that says Show Card Details. The app will ask you to enter your remote PIN for security. Once you enter the correct PIN, you will see your virtual card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code. When you are ready to pay on a website or inside an app, go to the checkout page. In the payment section, choose to pay with a card. Enter the virtual card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as shown in the Capitec app. Then complete the payment just like you would with a physical debit card. You can also use your virtual card to pay in physical stores using a digital wallet. To set this up, open the Capitec app again and go to Cards. Select your virtual card, then choose the option that says Add to Wallet. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to link your card to your phone or smartwatch. Once the card is added, you can pay at any contactless card machine. Simply unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. Another way to pay with your virtual card is by scanning QR codes. Open the Capitec app and tap Transact. Then select Scan to pay. Point your camera at the QR code at the pay point. Make sure your virtual card is selected as the payment method. And that is how you pay using a Capitec Virtual Card. Thanks for watching.